Yeah, it's all happening. Beautiful conditions. What the hell is that? Got some videos on.
You got a copy, Jen?
Come back!
There's a lady on it.
You thought you had his feet, you know, closed, he's gone, he's out of there.
You should have let me grab him, mate. We should have made
It's either that or a shark with his tail, one of the two.
Behind him. Oh, there he is, hanging around, yeah.
Not bringing him in. Take a size of him. The transducer.
Bring him close to me.
Right, I've got on video.
What are we going to do?
You can do, isn't it?
That doesn't even bad, that's for sure.
Yeah.
We do the line. Some kick.
Yeah.
Yesterday. Fine. No, drag back off. Oh, we can bring in the book.
Let him go, let him go.
Let him go, let him go.
Let him go.
Let him go.
Not jumping this way. Where the fuck you go?
Boat, boat. Yeah, man.
Got a fair bit of that.
Jesus. I've got spears.
Yeah. Be careful, fuckers.
You done it? Yeah. Give him a second wind, mate. Listen, sing the boat.
Are you zooming on this thing?
Yeah, the top big. Yeah.
Oh, there.
Pull that to the right and push it to the left.
Oh, I guess.
Drag right off there. let's go down for the big go. That's go for a release and it's got 8 foot. Yeah. That's fine. And again.
You're swimming by the boat.
Yeah.
Get more speed up so we can. Yeah, wait there. I get some more speed up we can swim him.
Yeah. Just some of it. A bit calmer this time. Sorry. A bit calmer. You want to help me?
Yeah.
I'm the whole list of it.
But she's still fucking going, yeah.
I'm going to get the bill.
That's pretty irritating. Yeah.
Well, Bill Filter went nuts. Hello, little fishy. Estimated weight, 150
ounces.
Whoa! There he goes. Well done, little rat.
Yeah, it's recording.
Here we are, sailfish. Rob just got a sailfish on John's gear. He's huge. Good size sailfish. We're measuring from the back of the boat. Basically to the P in short.
He's probably here at the
That level?
About here, would be the power would be a bit more, yeah. Forward a bit, about there.
Yeah. We're on the course about the P in sport.
Alright.
David, let him go?
Oh, we'll let him go to the swimming pool a little bit, or is he ready to go?
He's fighting my hand.
Oh, I'll let him go then, yeah. Go, baby.
Kicking the tail bite.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, yay! Well done!
Okay, we're recording. Here's Rob with a billy. Nice Billy. So we can get a look at him. Oh, there he is. Cool. There's Rob hanging on to him. There's a good one.
Yeah, nice looking. Nice had a fish today.
Oh, happy fisherman. Okay, filming again. What did you get, you
I
Mom?
think he was calling that little Lumo sprocket, wasn't he?
Oh, I don't know, I didn't see that going.
Yeah.